China is the future. Everyone says that. Factories, rockets, skyscrapers, power. Like a city builder on God mode. There's just one tiny detail nobody talks about. Nobody is having babies. Like, almost nobody. When countries get richer, people have fewer kids. It's a law of life. Like taxes and disappointment. It always happens. But China didn't wait to be rich to crash. It showed up early to its own funeral. Why? Because China shot itself in the foot with a cannon. In 1970, a rocket scientist, not a doctor, a guy who launches things into space wars, looked at a bad chart and decided China would run out of food. And everyone believed him. 1960s China, 7 kids per family. People rebuilding after famine. That's hope. That's love. That's human and honestly beautiful. The government saw that and went full panic mode. They sent shock brigades, door to door, village to village, like babies were a disease. First year alone, 14 million forced abortions. Let that number sit for a second. No joke here. 300 million in total, the biggest population control project in history. Congrats, I guess. Fast forward. The average 30-year-old in China today, only child, partner is an only child, 4 parents to support, 1 kid. Maybe, if they can afford it. And that math, it doesn't get better. It grows like credit card debt. Scientists have a name for this mess. The dependency ratio. How many workers support how many retirees and kids? Sounds boring. It's not. 45 is healthy. 63 is France crying. 70 is Japan begging for help. China today, 45. Great, we're fine. For now, China in 2100, 128. Somebody call an adult. Emptying cities. More retirees than workers. The biggest nursing home in history. Everything China built, lapped. Factories, rockets, power, fellas, was built on millions of young workers. And those workers are disappearing. No war, no plague, no alien invasion. Because one guy with a rocket made a math mistake in 1970. Incredible. Japan is already there. Vending machines replacing workers. More graveyards than schools. South Korea spent $200 billion trying. People still didn't have kids. Thanks for playing. But there is a tested solution. One country is kind of okay. The United States. And the answer isn't rockets or AI. It's people. From outside. 15% of Americans were born in another country. China's immigration rate, 0.1%, and falling. People are leaving China voluntarily. 30 million factory jobs are empty right now. People worldwide would love them. But they can't get in. So China's real choice isn't babies. It's control versus survival. And the clock is ticking. To be fair, they built something genuinely impressive. 1 billion people out of poverty in 40 years. Almost nobody does that. That matters. And the future shows up on time. Always. No warning. No apology. The question isn't if China will change. It's whether they'll change before it no longer matters. I'm ArcheoJack, and if you made it this far, you clearly have too much free time. Subscribe.